Right now. This is taxi cab number 1, I would say. Hey, Rory.
What?
Who painted the car?
Me and my sister.
Yeah. This car has over about 240,000 miles on
Me
it.
and my sister.
And the kids painted it with spray paint. Here is Rory.
What?
Put your handprint up. This is why there's handprints. Yep. Still fits. My daughter did the green. Yes, my wife put that on. So.
This is a handprint.
Yep.
This is a handprint.
Stop, Rory. We got the caution sign because we do Uber. We have taxi cab rides. Here's a close-up of Marvin. I ordered him. It's got 240,000 runs. Pretty decent. I just put updated headlights on for her. Had to fix her high beam. Rewired one because they typically burn up. But this is the walk around of my daughter. Oh no, that's my big ass handprint. Because I did help. All right.